Hello and welcome to this video where we will show you some examples of trading signals from Nordic traders. We sent out a buy signal for American CleanSpark on February 8th this year, sold the day after and made a 29% profit. We sent out this signal completely free to our trading group Nordic Traders, which is available on both Messenger and Telegram. You can easily join via the link in the video description below. Here is another example from AMLX where we sent out a signal on January 26th, closed the position a few weeks later with an 18% profit. We use a trading strategy called momentum, breakout, and volume, which together work well to give strong indications of stocks with great potential. We bought Expedia early January, but since it didn't go the right way, we quickly closed it with a 2.3% loss. Our goal is to keep losses small, but gains large. We bought Sana on February 23rd and closed it 5 days later for a 20% profit. If you also want to receive the signals, you can click on the link in the video description below. You will then be taken to this page, which explains more about us and then the strategies we use. Then you simply click on one of the yellow buttons that will take you to the group, and you will start receiving the signals directly on your mobile or PC. If it turns out to not be for you, you can leave the group. It's completely non-binding. We also send out currency signal if that suits you better. Here is an example of what a typical signal might look like. For some, it may look a bit strange, but it simply means we expect the euro to strengthen against the dollar. If you also think it's a good idea to buy euro US dollar, you can trade it on your trading platform. Here we use the trading platform Markets, which is an EU-regulated broker with a wide range of instruments. Here the platform is in English, but they also offer Danish and Swedish with the hope of support for Norwegian in the near future. If I search and select Euro US dollars in the search field here, I get a chart of the price. If I want to buy, I click on buy, then I get a trading window where I can determine the details. The minimum amount is 1,000 units, which requires a margin of just over 36% as of now. That's what I need to have in the account to take on the position. In this example, I'm using a demo account with over $50,000, so I choose to buy 100,000 units, which requires a margin of $6,650. I then click on place order and hope the price goes up. Up here, you can see any losses or gains on your open positions. We always send out signals when we close positions, so you can decide whether to follow or keep the position for yourself. If I want to close, I pull up this list. Here I can choose to close all positions or select a specific one. In this example, I made a $21 profit, but if I had increased the stake, the profit would also have increased. Naturally, this also means greater risk. There's never a guarantee for a positive return, which is why you should not trade with money you can't afford to lose.